people, now this video is an unboxing, but not really an unboxing. Because remember some time ago, for the people on the Kevin Too Crazy extra channel, remember when we did that will soon be no more. Those bike sounds will soon be no more. Remember I did ask you know, for like donate so that I can get some extra equipment for the camera. Well, specifically, what we wanted to get was a microphone so that the whole bike a fly past thing not really affect me. As soon as I'm ready to start record, like every car just start pass. If you would like to donate, my PayPal is in the description. Because I'm gonna use the money there to buy mic and mics for the camera. So that outer door noise don't really bother me when I do this. Because I don't like the outer door noise. When I hear the little a better mic should aid in that. So if you don't want to donate so we can get a better mic, yeah, link in the description. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Based on your donations, you know, overwhelm me with the donations, and I was able to get even some more than I originally wanted. So we are gonna just unbox or unpack. Them never really come in a box because you know the person who carried them down for me, them couldn't really carry the whole heap or something. So them just, you know, take them out of the boxes and keep them in a box and all them little something there. So we are gonna just talk about them off the bat. See it here, people. The microphone is a Takstar microphone SGC. What is 598? Yeah? Yeah. This is gonna help kill out the sound from like off of the road when the vehicle in my pass and all them something there. So this is the first thing, this is what we really need, and we make sure we get it. The one I use a battery inside of this. Is a AA 1.5 volt. I haven't tested them as yet. As I said, we just open them so you can see the things them come. I'm telling you, so when them reach, we are going to make you see where your money buy. First of all, big up all of the people them who donated. I will be ordering the equipment, and I'm going to make you see all of the equipment when them forward on the vlog channel. So subscribe to the vlog channel. Link is in the description. So this is the mic. And I also get a little wind muff for the mic, just in case we have to go outside to record skits and them things there. We can record in peace without the wind that go on top of the mic, you know? So we have the wind muff for the mic, and they give you a nice little bag too. Give you a nice little velvet type of bag, full of lint everywhere. So that's a Takstar microphone right there. Another attachment that I was able to get was this. Is an extension, basically extend the battery life. So you have some extra buttons and things on it, but what we really needed for was to so the battery life of the camera stay longer. So we get about 2 extra batteries also. 2 extra battery, put them in this, put the batteries in this, right? And then we attach it onto the camera, put this inside of the camera, tighten it with this little button right here. When that lock on, so the camera kinda bulkier in a way. But the battery life now, it extends the battery life because it's not running on 1 battery no more. It is running on 2 batteries, right? So I don't remember exactly what you call this. Expansion grip base tension. But this was something else that you guys also purchased. So now we can record longer without worrying about the battery. It a go dead, you know? And sometimes people want to record things for them. Like, you know, like some of them wedding, funeral, them little thing there. And the battery is done quick the last one we did go. So we have this now. It basically extends the battery life. As I say, but you get 2 extra, you buy 2 extra batteries. It's not get it. And then we have the little charger for the battery them. Remember me telling you if it's just Babylon, because Babylon them don't know how to focus. Alright, yeah, that. See where the battery them name. We got to show that. Another thing that we got was a microphone. Yeah. And the microphone is called a 5. The way how I see it, so it look kind of reverse. You know, you not see it. But the microphone come with this. This is the receiver, and you plug this into the camera. But the head of this is not the same size as the camera hole. So you have to get the adapter. I show you the adapter. But we get the mic. The mic uses batteries. This uses battery also. The receiver use batteries, I think got 2 are the small ones, 2 are the mini battery them it use, yeah. What you call them? AAA. These use, I think it's AA the one I use, yeah. So see where the battery them go in at the mic, yeah. And they flick it on. I'm not trying none of them yet, so I don't know if they work. Hopefully they do and they are not damaged. Else I'll be doomed. I'm guessing this is a little reset button inside here. See, because it's on autofocus, it kind of move jittery. But yeah, a little reset button right there, so I just screw on back. So I don't know if I'm gonna see a mic, I don't know, so we are going out in our streets, right? Welcome on everybody, you don't know, say I'm Kevin Too Crazy, and today I look for that's exactly what I'm looking for. Sir, you don't know me can find oh, you know, from here, sir. So look out for some out in the streets content. Nothing but foolery. Talking to the Jamaican people. Yes, man. So we have the mic and the receiver. And then these little things, you know. Remember me telling you, say the camera at the side, the camera hole. So you put this, boom, onto that. When you put it on, you plug it into the camera. And it'll pick up the, because the camera hole, I'm not really try. If you're working on Jamaica. Gotcha. Go ahead. Hold on. People, it look like, you know, work. No worries. So we have the adapters them to go on to this. So we can get the microphone sound through that when we talk to the people on the streets. Last but not least, what you guys bought for me also with your donations, thank you now again. The PlayStation camera. Now this is for the people them on the gaming channel. You know, they always want to see my face when I record gameplay. So now you know, get to see my face with this, the PlayStation camera. I just plug it in the back. I tried it. It does work. So this, I know that one I work for sure. So the people them on the gaming channel, gaming videos are going to turn up.
Yo, bitch, yo! Me take it! Fortnite, bro. Fortnite, bro!
For those of you who would love to subscribe to that channel, you can go ahead and do so. So these are the things that I got with the money that you guys sent. Every single penny you want to send to me went into this. So all of the money you want to send to me, use you. I don't see it done for myself. And I'd like to say thank you to every single person who donated. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart because I want hard-earned money. I don't have to take up a dime, send go give me. Understand? You don't have to send me $1, but you did. Because you know what I have to see my reach places. Big up on yourself, man. Every single one I know where goes a boom and shoops off. Even couple cents. Somebody donate couple cents. But man, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for each couple cents. Because a couple cents help. So those are all the things that I got, people. All the little things they want to help me to buy. So it is just up to me, you know, to just do the work, you know. I go put away all of this now. We need to get some batteries now and test everything, make sure that everything will work. And when the microphone string up, we're not gonna hear the difference. We're not gonna hear the difference when I make the reaction video. Then we're not gonna hear the difference and know it will work. When we're out in the street, we're not gonna see me with this, you know. Hello, how are you doing today? You doing okay? Where are you from? I don't know the part of Jamaica there. But, hear me I say, can you say, I just give you a look preview of what is to come. With that said, I'm going to edit these videos for you guys to see. So be sure to check them out. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Definitely subscribe. We got some Fortnite in the background. For the people who keep asking me for my Fortnite, name, I'm not gonna tell you no because you know if you pay attention. I may say it about a couple of videos ago. You know if you use up on a brain power. But anyways, big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. See? Kevin Too Crazy, it's other here. It's other here. And once more, thank you again. Thank you again for supporting me in every little way you can, not just monetarily, but you know, liking the video, sharing the video, commenting on the video. And if I sometimes I comment on me want to see, but on a comment same way. Disliking the video. Even though you don't want that, but you know, if you don't feel it, you don't feel it. I can't force you to feel it, you understand me? But I just appreciate every aspect of support that you guys give to me on all platforms, in all areas. Big up the people that will pray for me. Big up the people that will, you know, not rate me, but still them come check out the thing. But you don't rate me for. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. You just don't rate me, but I don't rate you back. But we not dwell upon the negative energy. We not get to see me I use up all of them. So big up on yourself again, people. Take care of yourself. And may God bless you for the 2019. Yes, man. Up and out.